spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bracelet. Then I change straight from the dog shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun.
What's up everyone, welcome back to another video of Narrow Barth. In today's video we're gonna go hit up Origin's car meet up in Laguna Hills. After that we might take a cruise down to Mexico and see what kind of hood rat stuff we can get into. And then yeah guys, stay tuned, please enjoy the video and peace out. Alrighty guys, so we just met up with my homie Zach and all the boys here, and I see you've done some new things to the car.
Yeah, a little bit.
You
Gotta take a sneak peek.
Sneak peek right here?
Yeah, sneaky in.
Oh shit. I know by experience that this thing shoots flames now, so that's pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie.
We gotta get it on camera.
Yeah, we gotta get it on camera tonight.
Peep that.
Oh, is that a nitrous kit? Oh, damn. Dude, this back looks better than the freaking Ferrari out back there, dude. This thing is way sicker.
That's how it's supposed to be. The ass is always supposed to look better.
Right? And let me, Zach, what'd you do?
Run.
What'd you do, bro? What'd you do?
Hey. She's spoiled. She's 4 years old? She's like 6 now, I think. Yeah, she's full grown.
The baby woke up.
I know.
Oh my god. What's up, Wasabi?
What's
Hey,
up,
baby?
She's chilling too.
I know. How's your first day in Mexico?
Ah.
You like it?
Mexico.
Well, anyways guys, that's gonna conclude tonight's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And anyways guys, thank you and peace out.
Perfect.